Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap. These will help you safely open the laptop and avoid static damage to the components. First, power off your Lenovo IdeaPad 500 and disconnect the charger. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the battery compartment. You will see several screws securing the back panel. Carefully use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place so you don't lose any during the process. Once the screws are out, take your plastic prying tool and gently insert it into the seam of the back panel. Slowly work your way around the edges to release the clips holding it in place. Be cautious and avoid using excessive force to prevent damaging the plastic clips. After removing the back cover, you will see the battery. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and vents. This helps improve airflow and cooling performance. Now, let's focus on the battery replacement. Disconnect the battery by gently pulling the connector away from the motherboard. You may need to use your plastic prying tool to assist in this process. Once the battery is disconnected, take the new battery and align it properly with the connectors on the motherboard. Push the connector firmly into place to ensure a secure connection. If you don't have the tools for this replacement, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making the process hassle-free. With the new battery connected, it's time to reassemble your laptop. First, replace the back cover, aligning it properly with the clips. Press down firmly to ensure it snaps back into place. Then, take the screws you removed earlier and reinsert them into their respective holes. Tighten them securely, but be careful not to over-tighten as this can damage the casing. After securing the back panel, flip the laptop back over and reconnect the charger. Power on your Lenovo IdeaPad 500 to ensure that the new battery is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation to help you resolve any problems. Lastly, if you're considering a battery replacement but prefer not to handle it yourself, we can assist with a quote before repair. No calls, no travel, just a simple and efficient service tailored to your needs. Enjoy your renewed laptop performance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.